So it's important to understand that when you do go into the edit mode by clicking on edit, you'll see now it says save. So any changes you make in your drawing here, you'll want to save. So if I don't save that and we just, let's say we close that, and then I go back to my object again and I say view in CAD, you'll see that that line has not been saved or moved, or that movement or edit that I made of moving the text has not been saved. So I'm going to go back into edit mode and we're going to move this piece of text back over here where we want it. Right. So any edits you change or save or make, you want to save. So I'm going to click save. And now that's over here underneath in line with the other text. Now I can continue working, but if I was to, close out of this and then go back into that CAD viewer, we should see that that text has been modified and moved, and now it's over here where we saved it last. So you just want to make sure you do hit save after you make some edits or make some drawing changes or modifications.